Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am actually trying out one of these Biore strips, the charcoal Biore strips. I was curious if they work as good as they're advertised. I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and get in the shower because it is late at night. I know my studio lights are on, so you can't really tell. But I'm going to go ahead and get in the shower, and then we're going to put on this strip right here that came in one of my magazines that I subscribed to, and see if it actually works. Is this worth the money, or is it easier just to squeeze your nose? I don't know. I do have a hard time sometimes getting, like, squeezing my nose within certain areas and getting all that gunk out of your nose, as gross as that sounds. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on my nose, and we're going to see after I get out of the shower, is it good or not. Okay guys, so I just got out of the shower. I just kind of put my hair up so it didn't get wet. This feels very, very different than the other regular Biore strips that I've tried before. It feels, well, first off, you kind of have to push down the edges, but that happened with the other one as well. Especially if you want to get like the rim of your nose right here in front. You kind of have to keep pushing it down. This one's really, really sticky. You can almost feel like the adhesive on top of it once it's wet. But this feels very different. It feels like it has a warming effect to it. As soon as I put it on the skin, it almost feels like an icy hot patch on my nose, but not like super, super intense, but you definitely can feel it. So it says to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm probably gonna do 15 minutes, and then we're gonna come back to see if it actually works better than just squeezing it. Guys, so it's been about 12 minutes, and it has gotten, can you hear that? It's gotten really, really hard. So I'm going to zoom in really close, and you guys are going to see whether this is a great product or not. Okay, guys. So it says to pick up the side of it and peel it off. You guys, it doesn't hurt, but it is adhering very, very, look at this. Wow. It's also kind of leaving me dirty, it looks like. Did it work? You guys can see right there. It did take off some. Now when I push it up like this, you guys can see how much more it took off. I'm gonna go rinse this off, and hopefully, I look at looks like it put black in my pore, and see if this all comes off. Okay guys, so all the black came off, but I want you to notice this. Like you see, in here, let's see here, like within here, it's almost like that charcoal went into my pores. It's gonna be gross. It went into my pores and darkened those pores and darkened the look of those pores. Okay, right here, you guys can see the darkness. Okay guys, so I know that was really zoomed in and might have grossed you guys out a little bit, but I'm going to say if you're going to do the Biore strip, do the regular one, the clear one, not the black one, because like I mentioned, that black, that charcoal, I have very large pores, and that charcoal almost like went into some of those pores, and then I had to go back and kind of squeeze those pores to get that black charcoal out from those clogged pores. So I would say don't get this. I was really crossing my fingers that this was going to be a very good product, but it's not, in my opinion. I think the regular clear one is awesome because it doesn't clog the pores like that, and it pulls out just the same amount of like blackheads as this one did. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to give it a thumbs down, but hopefully you give this video a thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.